Meaning of dwell.
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 Dwell. Dwell can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to either living or staying in a particular place for an extended period of time. It can also mean to focus or linger on a particular thought or subject matter. In essence, dwell means to remain or stay fixed on something. The result of dwelling can lead to either positive or negative consequences, depending on how it's being used. Overall, dwelling suggests a prolonged and deep engagement with a particular thing or concept.